Well, welcome to beautiful Panama for the inaugural Swiss Mining Institute conference here. I think it's going to be a great week.
After 15 years of organizing the best mining investment conference in Europe, it was finally time to take the conference to Panama City.
I think we're in the process of de-dollarizing, moving off the dollar standard, going back to a gold standard where it is the primary reserve asset for central banks. Also, investors are going to rediscover gold. I think you're going to start to see 5 years from now, gold will be in most portfolios. In order to move that much money into gold, the price is going to have to be a lot higher.
If you think about what the world will look like with a weaker dollar and a suppression of rates, it's hard to believe that hard assets won't do very well.
Another thing you said was, I've never seen a better setup for silver and silver stocks to soar than we have right now. And again, this is 3-4 years ago, and it happened.
It happened, and it's gotten better, in my view.
It's gone better.
It's gotten better. Silver outpaced silver stocks 2 to 1 in the last 5 years, and are only neck and neck in the last 2 years.
We saw the froth coming into the precious metal space. Comparatively, energy companies were continuing to be ignored and underloved and really, really attractive from a fundamental basis. And so we just began to trim those positions and increase the oil stuff.
We do own a 600,000 ton per annum facility. This gives us quite a bit of leverage to our own mineralization. And this is a 400-kilometer long gold belt. So by building a second mill there, we provide coverage for essentially the whole gold district.
I think we're seeing a little bit of a resurgence from the last couple of weeks. We're in the early stages of a bull cycle, and I think that's going to continue for many years.
Everything going on globally now is suggesting that uranium needs to be a larger part of that energy security supply for most of the countries on the planet.
I guess this is scarcity of resources in a rising price environment, so it's the perfect storm.
Copper is one of them, and silver is another one of them, and we can see that reflected on the price of silver. Silver is used for many industrial uses, mostly EVs, solar panels, so we are starting to see that scarcity, that deficit on the supply, and we will see the prices going up.
Well, the Swiss Mining Institute conference here in Panama City has come to a close. The vibe was unmistakably bullish for mining and investors. Macro tailwinds are powerful and structural. Precious metals, gold, and especially silver are in the early stages of a generational bull market. Practical tips for mining investors right now: own hard assets. Commodities beat financial assets in this cycle. Focus on quality, good management, stable jurisdictions, and strong infrastructure. Stay patient through volatility. This is still early innings.